Well, as you know, March is for street children, so this week we've started our campaign to raise money for street children, and this week's event is, we've got 2 events this week, so it's going to be guess the number of sweets in the jar, and that's going to be on reception from Tuesday, and then on Friday, of course, we've got our non-uniform day, so make sure you do bring in your money for that, and we'll see if we can reach our target of €1,500 this month for street children. This weekend just gone by, I went to a conference in Sitges where with all the British schools in Spain, and of course I picked up our prize for winning the Timetables Rockstars campaign. We were the top school, well done, but not only that, 6B and 6C were the top classes in the whole of Spain. So congratulations to them, they're going to get a pizza party to celebrate. Well done you guys. And of course this week we've got the Wizard of Oz musical. That's Wednesday and Thursday after school at 7 o'clock. So don't miss it, and I'll see you there.